Our final Yager recipient is Beverly Kutsunai. Did I say it right? I hope I did. She is from District 16. Beverly is also this year's Yager Scholar. Beverly teaches her young elementary students to find their place in science and find science everywhere. As the primary science specialist, she developed a place-based program that engages her students in hands-on inquiry, giving them the experience of being scientists. Developing knowledge, asking questions, and creating experiments to uncover answers. She also includes the arts as she teaches her students to communicate their ideas to others, making peer feedback and reflection significant parts of their learning process. Developing a sense of place and personal connection to the environment gives her students the opportunity to investigate their potential and invest in their future for our planet. Beverly.
I'm the wrap-up girl. So, see what you can find in me that you found in all my colleagues, because this is such a wonderful opportunity. They let us come here and share with you, and you guys all have great ideas. NSTA is good at that stuff. Here we go. Aloha. We started with Maine, now we're all the way to Hawaii, and what brought us together was science. So stop and think for a minute, because I'm also the troublemaker. Are you the kind of person who thinks that science was, wait a minute, the light that helps everybody understand things? Are you one of the science people that wants to go to the dark and uncover the mysteries? Thinking about what side do you belong on. You can talk about that at the open bar. Okay, so the other thing that brought us together here is learning. And we're all here learning, and I'm still learning. A quote from Michelangelo. Still learning with colleagues here, working with a project at our local museum in NASA. And here I am in my day job, working with other colleagues that are a little smaller than me, but full of energy and ready to go at a moment's notice. So one of the things I found with them is really what I'm looking for is unconscious excellence. I want my kids to do great things by themselves, not with my checklist, not because of my lesson. My charge is to put everything together and then just let them go and do the things that they do in the magic ways that they can, with things from right around them, thinking about what they can find out today and what they can use tomorrow. Using all those science skills that we're really familiar with. The secret is early childhood education works in middle school and high school and teacher professional development too. Don't you guys just want to put your hand in that sand? Yeah, I think so. Then we need to organize that data and make comparisons, think about what's going on, use words from other scientists and pictures. So how do you do this and let your kids do the work? Because the kids need to do the work. The secret is stop talking and pick up a camera. And you will be able to let your kids do the things that they do, and you'll be so pleased to see all the things that you're hoping that they want them to do. So there's 320 kids that come to me, and my job is to not talk more than half of my period and let them do what they need to do. Have to show some nature because I'm from Hawaii. I know it may seem cruel to say I think nature belongs even in Buffalo science, but we got to get the kids outside. We need them to be able to see things inside and outside, and then take them back and forth all the time. So school gardens and plants, so important. Having the kids make those connections in the things that are around them. Science is a doing thing. Sometimes we can't always see what we're doing because we're so busy doing it, but the kids know. So let the kids do what they need to do. Let them work it out. Technology is here to help us, not to distract us. So my new challenge is figuring out ways where my kids can use that technology to get more information and help them record and document their work, but not distract them from playing with water. Water is very important in Hawaii, so we want them to be able to get out there and seek knowledge in ways that they can use science to find out more about their world. We want to make some trouble. Provocation. When I went to Italy, they talk about this all the time. You really need to do something at your school that people don't quite understand, and you need to put it out there and leave it out there so people can talk about it. And the kids will tell each other what they were working on, and the parents will want to know, and the principal wants to know, and then pretty soon they're innovative and they're making their own kinds of projects based on what you're doing. We can do that, and the kids can do it too. Taking time for reflection, taking time to just sort of pause, hopefully outside, thinking about the things we're working on and why we do what we do. They say it takes a village. I had the amazing opportunity to do staff development in Africa. You can teach in Africa if you want to be the teacher. You don't even have to go to high school. They couldn't understand the textbooks, but they could understand that they wanted to learn more. So I'm still learning. How about you? You still learning too? Let's keep going. Michelangelo said that when he was 87. How could you be 87 in the 1500s? I mean, this guy is pretty amazing. So if it worked for him, it could work for us.
Beverly is the Yager Scholar, and as a result, she gets a pin.
Just like Girl Scouts.
She also receives an additional $1,500, and with that, she will be coming to the 2016 National Conference in Nashville to present. So congratulations.